In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to handle duplicate contacts in GoHighLevel tutorial. Duplicate contacts can muddle your reporting, split conversations, and make your automations behave unpredictably. The good news is, GoHighLevel has a built-in merge feature that lets you clean things up quickly and safely. I'll walk you through the exact clicks, along with a few best practices so you keep the right data intact. First, open your GoHighLevel workspace and head to the Contacts area. This is your master list where you can see everyone in your account. Make sure you're looking at the correct location and the right list view so you don't miss anything. If you manage multiple pipelines or teams, double-check that you're in the place where those duplicates actually live. Next, select the duplicate contacts you want to combine. Use search to find matching names, emails, or phone numbers, and then tick the checkboxes for the records that are truly the same person. Take a moment here to compare details like recent activity, tags, and custom fields. If one record looks more complete, keep that in mind. It will help you confirm things in a moment. Avoid selecting contacts that are only similar but not identical. Merging the wrong records is hard to undo. With those contacts selected, click the More button at the top of your list. This reveals bulk actions designed for housekeeping and cleanup. From the menu that appears, choose Merge. GoHighLevel will prepare a confirmation so you can be sure you're combining the right profiles. Think of this like a safety checkpoint. You're telling the system to consolidate records into one final profile. When the confirmation window appears, click Merge Contacts to proceed. This tells GoHighLevel to complete the merge and consolidate the selected records. The platform will combine the information it can reconcile and keep a single, unified contact. After it finishes, you should see one clean record instead of multiples. It's a good idea to open that final contact and skim through their details. Look at notes, recent messages, deals, and key fields to confirm that everything important is present. Before you wrap up, a few tips. Merging is intentional and not easily reversible, so verify you truly have duplicates before confirming. If you're working with a large list, consider tackling duplicates in small batches so you can review results as you go. And if certain fields differ between records, decide which version you want to preserve by reviewing those profiles before you click Merge. That's it. Open Contacts, select the true duplicates, click More, choose Merge, and confirm with Merge Contacts. Clean, simple, and your database stays trustworthy.